These bootleg rap tee designs have been one of the hardest styles to make with AI, until now. Today I'll show you how to create them consistently for free using Google's new Nano Banana. If you're new here, I'm Andreas. I've sold over $1.5 million in print-on-demand products in less than 4 years on Amazon Merch on Demand and Etsy, all from my home in Sweden. And if you want my free Etsy quick starter kit with my profit calculator, 10 evergreen niches, and 3 beginner packs, grab it from the link in the description. Here's the issue. Bootleg rap tees look amazing, but they've been inconsistent to create with AI tools like ChatGPT. And that inconsistency really matters because the demand is insanely massive. Until now, there's not been a reliable way to just tap into this whole demand. That's where Nano Banana from Google comes in. This tool creates flawless, consistent rap tee style designs every single time, and it's even free to start. The real opportunity is not just copying old rap tees, it's by adapting the design into new niches. And here's how to do it in 4 simple steps. First, you pick a niche without this design in it yet. For example, I've done some research before this, and the dad niche is perfect for this. Then we use Nano Banana to generate the base design. We swap the subject. Instead of a dog, for instance, we use the picture of the dad and the person's name. Let's call him Benjamin in this case. We then layer best-selling elements from that niche on top of the rap tee design. For dads, for instance, we will add the collegiate style lettering since that is insanely popular within the dad niche. And then finally, we will finalize the thing and export it. You now have a unique rap tee inspired design tailored to the proven niche. So just let's hop right into this now, and let's do it step by step. The first thing is to pick a niche without the design style in it yet. And the design style is this bootleg rap tee design style. And one niche that hasn't had this implemented highly yet is the dad niche. We can see a lot of like these girlfriend types of designs within the dad niche, but they don't really apply as like someone wouldn't be able to envision this of their dad with this type of mock-up. So I think we can make this a lot better and a lot more tailored to men when it comes to making bootleg rap tees. And again, we always filter this by bestsellers, which is why I have that here. And that is because like if someone has done a lot of things, but other things around, they haven't gotten traction, we will still outcompete them since we have a whole offer. We will still be able to outcompete them just because we have a really good offer as well. And what I'm talking about, I talk about that extensively in my 7-hour course. You can watch that here. But what I'm talking about there is the offer, because that also needs to be in place in order to actually get sales. So it hasn't been implemented here in the dad niche. So we picked the dad niche just because of that. If it has been implemented, we can't really add it into the niche because there's already proven demand. Like for instance, within the dog niche here, this one has done 59 sales in the last 24 hours, which is just insanity. Which is why we can't add a style like just like this in the niche, because they already are the dominators within this design in that niche. So the first thing that we do is that we just take a screenshot of this, something like that, so we can have a reference photo. And again, just want to emphasize, the longer we go into this video, you'll notice that like this is not about copying, this is about taking inspiration and then like tweaking stuff so it becomes a unique and original design. But this is how we start it. So we take this, we then go into the Nano Banana software, we drag this into it, and then we say, I want this type of design style with the dogs. Apply. I wanted this type of design style. Apply that the dog image has. Apply this to take away the dogs, and let's see here. So take away the dogs and replace them with the photos of the man in different poses, just like the dog picture. And then I took some photos of me, some thumbnail photos of me, so I have no idea honestly how this will turn out. This will be a bit of a shock to me as well. So let's just see how this looks like. But I've tested this out a little bit beforehand, and it's really, really thorough, the Nano Banana one. And then we say, change the wording from custom to Andreas. Or I said Benjamin, so let's call it Benjamin just for this one. And then say run, and we'll see what we get. And the crazy part about Nano Banana is that this is free. Like you have like 32,000 tokens. I'm not sure how this renews, but basically, because I mean, like I've just fiddled around with this a little bit, but this doesn't cost me even a dime. So it's free to use, which is crazy to me because it's so valuable. So let's see what we get with this. The key with this whole design style is that it's personalized. So to me, this looks insanely funny because I mean, it's me. So, okay, this is kind of funny. So, okay, let's see what we can do here. Again, the second thing is that we want to aim for this to really work within the dad niche. I mean, this looks insanely funny of me. Holy damn. But okay, to have a higher likelihood of actually selling within the dad niche, like we want to use elements that already work within the dad niche within this design. Because again, if we use, for instance, like these designs here are really female oriented, but in order to make like the design more relevant to the dad niche, we can add more elements to our designs from the dad niche. And what I'm talking about here is just plainly the font, because what you can see here is that this collegiate type style of font, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and again, remember these are all bestsellers, but this one too, it's like 5 on the first page, just like on the first half of the page, 6, 7, 8, like the collegiate font is just insane within that niche. So my thinking here is that what if we just change the font up top to be more masculine, to just say like the word Benjamin, or like the name Benjamin, but in this more collegiate grungy font. So let's take this one here, we upload it to the Nano Banana, and then we have it say change the font style to match this reference image. Let's see what happens when that happens. And again, remember, all of this is free. I've used some tokens now, but again, you can use this quite a lot. And if you want to like scale it out, I'll talk about that further in the video. There's also a possibility to do that if you are getting traction and need to do this consistently. So let's see here, and then we can just say remove est.2024, make the font more of a collegiate font. Let's see if that works. Make this on a transparent, I haven't actually tried this, so let's just see if it works. Make this on a transparent background, because then we don't have to worry about that. This works in ChatGPT. Let's see if it works in Nano Banana. Haven't actually tried this, so let's see if it works. Hope it doesn't just do that to only the text. I want that for the whole design. I do gotta say, this looks insanely funny to me. I love memes. I always love me a good meme. So this looks insanely funny to me. That's perfect. Still want the font maybe to match it a bit better. Let's use a hollow one instead and see if that works better. So let's go here and let's just zoom in. Let's see what this gives us. It doesn't really react to it. What I would do in this case, maybe take it out, try to take out the lettering itself and just do that in Canva maybe. But let's ask it to, let's see here. But honestly, the more I look at it, it kind of works, because it's still got that grungy font from this. So it still kind of works. And without this gradient font, it might not even work within the type of niche itself, within the bootleg rap tea niche. So maybe I just want to keep it. Maybe I'm overthinking it a bit, because it's still got that grungy vibe, which is one of the core, like most popular things within the dad niche. Because if you look at this one, this one has a grungy font. That's 1. This one also has it, 2, 3, and this one that we looked at, 4. So we still got that vibe onto it. So maybe that's even enough. So let's just, since we added the grunge text element to it, I think that's even enough for this whole thing to make it like more applicable to the dad niche. And so with that, you actually have a unique rap tea inspired design tailored to the proven dad niche. And just to like even just prove it to you, here's the Printify Insights chart, just proving that the comfort colors is one of the biggest like in-demand shirts to sell. This is just proven data that shows us that the product itself that we're actually putting the design on is insanely popular. And this is current data. I printed this on like the 2nd of September, yeah, and it's the 12th of September now as I'm filming it. So this just shows us that the product itself that we're actually putting the design on is insanely proven. Apart from that, if we just take a look here too with Everbee, if we just search for bootleg rap tees and just see what that is in whichever niche there is, let's just take this one for instance, and let's just use Everbee here to gauge the demand. This one is doing monthly about 1,000 sales, but this one specifically in the dog niche is doing an insane amount of volume. I mean, $30,000 a month, 1,500 orders a month for this dog shirt. It's just massive volume. Let's just look at one more to just prove it to you, just to show you that the demand is absolute insanity. Let's see here. This one is brand new. Let's take a look at this one instead. This one is also selling not quite as much, but again, it's probably because they're not adding that much value to the niche. This shop seems to copy what everyone else is doing. They're not really adding much value to the platform itself. But again, just look at all these bestsellers. It's just insane to see how much demand there is. This one I know has been here for quite a long time, and this one is doing $2,000 a month and about 85 sales a month. So we can definitely see that there's proven demand for this type of design style. And with that said, here are the design results from the Nano Banana. This is on a transparent background, but if we have this on, like, if you just skip the EST 2024 date, I asked you to remove that later on. This is how it would kind of look on the shirt, and we can have it say change the name from Benjamin to Andreas, because that's my name, and it's more applicable since it's me in the Mimi bootleg rap shirt picture. And the cool thing that I've noticed with Nano Banana is that it just takes so little time. I mean, look at this. This is like taking 15, 16, just usually under 30 seconds to get me the full design. And this is really, really important when you're at scale, that you get these designs kind of quick. So I think it's just insanely good, this Google Nano Banana one. This one took the full 30 seconds to do. But yeah, look at how consistent this is from the previous one. It just changed the word from Benjamin to Andreas, and it looks exactly the same. So yeah, I think it's insanely good. The outputs are always consistent, and it's usually under 30 seconds. This one was 30 seconds, which would be generally the maximum. Again, a common mistake here is that you shouldn't just stop at making the base wrap tee design. Mistake number one is just copying the style without adding niche-specific elements to it. You always want to layer in proven design cues from your target audience. In this case, the grungy texture. Because we could also see, for instance, that some of these designs that are just blatantly copying each other are getting some sales here and there, but they can't scale without adding value. And you always need to add value, just like we did in this video, to make this work. And mistake number two is copying other sellers, just like the one I showed you. You want to use inspiration and add more value instead of duplication. And mistake number three is ignoring scalability. You want to have templates so you can swap names and images fast, especially using like the Nano Banana AI software. Because the key thing is that when you're scaling, you need to have the systems to support it. Now, once you're getting sales, you want to use Nano Banana's free tokens to actually start. But as your orders increase, you want to scale with paid integrations like My Design, so you never capped. Because again, we had like 30,000 tokens or like 36,000 tokens, and that will run out if you're doing massive amounts of volume. So you want to integrate My Designs as an example, who now has a Nano Banana integration. You want to use that so you don't have that cap for the tokens. Then to systemize the whole thing, you want to swap the image plus the name for new buys in under 30 seconds. And the good thing is that Nano Banana gives us this design in under 30 seconds. And now just to recap the whole thing, the first thing we do is that we check demand, and the demand is proven since these bootleg wrap tee designs are insanely popular this year. Apart from that, Nano Banana also then solves the consistency issue when it comes to making flawless designs every single time. And it does that within 30 seconds, which is insane. And plus you can do it for free just to test these types of designs out too. You always want to adapt this into fresh niches where this style hasn't been implemented before, like in this case, the dad niche. You always want to add best-selling niche elements to stand out within the niche itself. So don't just stop at making one base wrap tee. Add proven elements from the niche within the wrap tee to make your design unique and have a higher chance of actually selling within the niche. You start free, you scale with paid tools once your orders grow. Now, if you want to go deeper into design strategy, I think you should watch my free 7+ hour course here. It's completely free here on YouTube, and I'll link that up here, I think it is. Apart from that, you can grab the Etsy Quick Start Kit for free to get my profit calculator, my niches, and some starter packs. That's all I had for this one. I'll see you in the next one.